So this is me. This is my baby right here. Bam, Spider by Design. You got my phone number. Got the email, the hours of operation. I've got my logos up here. You want them nice and small. That way they're accessible. People can click them if they want, but I don't want them leaving my page just to go look at my social media. Look at that. The menu scrolls down with you. I like it. It's easy. If I want to fucking scroll down here and read some shit and go to portfolio, I can. I don't have to scroll to the damn top. Hero section. We build the web. That's what we do. We build the web. Fayetteville web design. I'm close to Fayetteville, so I want to target the Fayetteville market. This is my H1 header. This is SEO. This is what my company does. And a call to action. Start your free consultation. Let's click on that. Let's see what it does. Fluent forms. So it's a conversational form. You can type, it's going to ask you questions. You answer them one by one. It takes you on a journey. Now, your business needs a web designer. That's a good header. It's got web designer as a keyword. It's telling you what your business needs. Why would you buy it? I've got my logo up here. The logo, you click it, it takes you home. Anywhere on the page, bam, click the logo. You don't see Spider by Design all over this page because my logo's up here. You see it in the address bar. It's no point. So you click on this if you want to learn about SEO. You can learn about SEO. You got a nice little infographic there. I got a link to a Forbes article. I'm based in Fayetteville, so click on this. FayettevilleNC.gov. So if you don't know about Fayetteville, you're going to know about Fayetteville today. Forbes articles. Everything opens in a new tab. Why every business needs a website? Plain and simple. Forbes is telling you if you have a business, get off of your ass and get a website. This is Forbes. This ain't me talking. This is Forbes talking to you. So why choose Spider as your Fayetteville web designer? Keywords. Fayetteville web designer. In this, nice big text. It's not too overwhelming. Learn more about Spider by Design. That's going to take you to my About page. My About page actually has content on it. Content is king. Click here for a free consultation. You click there, it's going to take you to my digital assistant that's going to get your information, and I can email you or call you. #1 web design Fayetteville, process in Fayetteville. Again, I got keywords. It's a header. I've got my infographic. Excuse me. My infographic. This is showing you my process. This is a 10-step process. My process is 21 steps, but I email that to my clients whenever I give them the contracts and everything. But this is just like the gist of it, how you get from point A to point B. People want to know that. This is a little bit going over that. Bam, that's a picture of myself, owner, CEO. Our web design projects. So below you'll find some of our projects. We got South Quarters, barbecue place. And we got, like I said, we got, a couple examples. You click on View Our Web Design Gallery. It takes you to, you guessed it, the portfolio. And I got the little spider web in the background. I thought it'd be cool. I might take it out. I don't know. Our web design packages in your face, big and bold. Bronze, silver, gold. I have my pricing out front. I'm not hiding anything from anybody. If you buy your services from me, starting at this price, this is what I offer. This is what I do for that price. So there's no confusion. If a client decides to go with me, they know, hey, I want the bronze package. I want all of this. $600. You click on pricing plans. Guess where it takes you? It takes you to pricing. Here I've got my little. I need to get rid of this second immuno. I don't know why that's up there, but this is the logos from different companies I've worked with. Fayetteville SEO. It's keywords. to title. And this is showing you like what SEO is. It tells you about SEO. The packages, same as the other one. This tells you Jumpstart Package, Essentials, Enterprise. You're paying this fee per month or one time. This shows you everything I'm doing for these prices. Click on pricing plans. It's going to take you to the pricing page where you're going to find even more different services and packages that you can get. Our web design clients love us. Now, see, this is the type of review section I want to see. Like, this is big, it's bold, it's in your face. It's got a nice little backdrop behind it, and I just did this tent thing. I thought it was going to be cool, you know. It's a little fun addition to me. But yeah, I mean, it's easy to read, it's clean, and it screams professional, but also like it screams not innovate, creativity. So look, you click on this, you can email me. Click on this, you can call me. I don't have a physical location yet. We're working, you know, from home basically, and working remote. So I go see my clients if I need to. But you got all these go to their respective pages, and they open a new window. Expertly crafted by Spider by Design 2022, a Fayetteville web design studio. Again, keywords. SEO loves me. Google loves me. So like, let's go. Let me click on the pricing. I just want to show you guys some of the pricing. And because I'm still logged into my WordPress, that's why you can see this up here. But the regular user is not going to see this up top. But anyway, you know, look, pricing and payments. Pricing information, pay your invoice, contact us. Web design packages. Let's say the person does want to pay for a web design product. Click on it. It takes you here, and then you pay what we discussed in the contract. So I do a 50% upfront non-refundable fee, so they would pay that first. Then I do 25% before I actually start building the website, and then 25% before I release the website back to the person that bought it. And I even I contribute 0.5% of my purchases of my sales to removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. So trying to save the planet, people. Buy from me, save a tiny percentage of the planet. Simple enough. Alright, so we're going to go back, and I messed up on that. Like, I need to make it to where it opens in a new tab. So that was my fuck up. SEO packages, so you got your, you know, same things I showed you on the first page, but you click on it, it's going to take you to that respective payment page using Stripe. Enter your information, bam, $500, pay it, let me get to work for you. Retainer pricing. You can hire me as a retainer. I will be your exclusive web designer, web developer for however many months that you subscribe for. And it is like I said, this is a 6-month retainer, so you sign a 6-month contract. You will pay $250 a month for 6 months. But I will make sure your website is always secure, it's always backed up, you always have updates, and I will do 3 quick fixes a month for you. So if you see something that needs changing or you need some content switched out, I do that. You're not going to have to pay extra for up to 3 times. And I might even do a couple for free if I'm feeling generous that month. The same, like, with the year subscription, you're saving $50 a month, so you're saving a lot of money over time. If you do want to cancel the subscription, there is a fee involved in that based on however much you have left to pay. I'll probably do like a 20% difference. I'm not going to try to break the bank, especially if you don't want to continue working with me, but I guarantee if you do work with me for that first month, you're going to want to keep working with me the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the year, 2 years, because I'm here for the people. Like, I'm going to do the best I can, and I'm going to provide, you know, high quality services every time. And then you scroll down here. And see, you can click on that. It'll take you to my interactive chat bot. I'm trying to, like, once I get a couple more reviews in, I'm waiting on a few more people. But once they review my business, I'm gonna go ahead. I'll fix up this section. So I'll take out one of these people that's on my homepage, and I'll put their review right here. And then eventually, what I want to do is I want to have it where every page has like 10 to 15 different reviews, and it rotates out. Nothing the same. I don't like having the same content on every single page. It just doesn't do anything for the user experience. So click on the About Me page. Let's see what Spider by Design is about. Look at that. I don't know why that photo didn't load up. But oof, I need to fix that. What we do. This is me. Some companies we work with. You can get in touch with us. And that's our phone number, our hours of operation, email address, and happy clients. So I mean, it's just enough. Like, it tells you our vision. We love what we do, and it tells about me, the owner. It's really all you need on your About page. You don't have to go crazy with it. Portfolio, I'm not going to go there. I'm still working on that. I'm actually going to make an interactive portfolio. So that's going to be like, if a person wants a restaurant website, I'm going to have like a fake restaurant website I make where they can actually click through it, and it'll be like they're actually going on a restaurant website, ordering food, and take them through the whole journey. So that way they can say, hey, I want to go with this guy. He put all this work into making this interactive demo site. So I'm going to try to do that for every industry I'm targeting. So that, I mean, this is a basic portfolio. I'll click it. I ain't scared. I'll click the shit. Show myself to y'all. Let's see. Look, it's consistent. Consistency is key. Businesses. These are some of the businesses I worked with. Artistic. These are some like the artists and stuff I've worked with. Which honestly, I do need to put, there's a local rap artist, I did his website. I need to put that in the artistic one. So I'll probably do that tomorrow. These are some of the prototypes I've done in Figma. I've got more I want to load up. But this will just show you, like, that's just like a little demo I've done, a mock-up. And I would send that to you. You tell me I like it, I don't like it. What do you want fixed on it? Yeah, another little mock-up. But yeah, the blog page is not done. I apologize. I mean, it's functional, but it's not how I want it yet. As you can see, Spider Blog. It has a sub menu, so you can click on it, go to the different topics. This is like your recent articles. This is about me on the side, and this is like my favorite articles. Come down here. This has some recent articles, and yeah, still working on it. It should be done in the next week. And then click on contact. There's my assistant. But yeah, I mean, I'm still working on mine. Web design is a process. You're always going to be changing something, always going to be working, always going to try to make it better. So, it's going to continue growing and evolving. This page or this website has definitely grown a lot since when I first started. And what I'll even show you, let's go to google.com. And we're going to go to, let's look up bun level web design. I want to see if I'm ranking yet. Probably not, but it would be great if I was. Yeah, not ranking yet. Not a big deal. I just got my my website and everything indexed. I want to say like a week ago, so it's probably gonna take at least another couple weeks before I'm like really up there. We'll try something else. Fayetteville web design. I know I'm not ranked up here. Probably a lot of companies in Fayetteville. Spider by Design. Now if I type that in, I am up here. There's no other Spider by Designs out there. So yeah. And yeah, you scroll down, bam, there's my first YouTube video. But alright, it's been fun talking to you guys. If you want me to review your website, just let me know. Shoot me an email, text, Facebook message, whatever. Call me, and I will do this on one of my next videos. I'll look at a couple websites that people have sent me, and I'll tell them what I would do, and if they want to hire me to do those things, that would be amazing. But yeah, I believe that's it. It's been great doing this with you guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, follow, share, all that good stuff. Help me get my name out there. Help me find more clients. If you know anybody that needs web design or SEO, please send them my way. I'm going to be posting another video, I want to say, probably in the next 2 or 3 days. I'm actually finding I really love YouTube. I know this is only my second video, but I really do enjoy this. So I'm going to be posting a lot more often, maybe 2 times a week, 3 times a week. I'm going to be coming up with better topics. So yeah, like I said, I will see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, please subscribe, please share. And I'll see y'all next time.